In this video, I will show you how to add and duck music in DaVinci Resolve. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. To import your music, if you are using a Mac, you can press Command I. If you are not using a Mac, you can go to the square in the top left corner, right click and go down to Import Media. Once your media has been imported, you want to make sure that your video is in your timeline. You then want to drag your music down below the audio of your video. So if I play this, you will hear myself speaking and the music, but the music will overpower my voice. So you want to make sure that your music is selected and then go to the top right and select Inspector. You will then see a number of different options or settings appear. What you want to do is go next to your music and click Audio 2. You will then see Track Level, AI Dialogue Leveler, and Ducker. So you want to select Ducker. Your source is Audio 1. You can then select the duck level. So the higher you go, the more it ducks. So we are going to put this to 18. Now, when I play the video, you will hear that the music will be just below my voice. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.